Moby has 8 boxes. He gets 2 more. How many boxes does he have in all? How can you solve the problem? What is an operation? An operation is a way to solve a math problem, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. When you add, you put groups of things together. I start with 5 marbles, and I get 2 more. How many do I have in all? You can add to find the total. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. When you subtract, you take something away from a group. I have 7 marbles, but 3 roll away. How many do I have left? You can subtract to solve. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. When you multiply, you put equal groups of things together. I have 3 groups of marbles. 4 marbles are in each group. How many marbles do I have altogether? You can multiply to solve. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. You can solve 3 times 4 by adding 4 together 3 times. When you divide, you split things into equal groups. I have 12 marbles, but I want to share them equally with you, Moby. How many marbles do we each get? You can divide to find the answer. 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. Sometimes when I'm solving word problems, it's hard to know which operation to use. How can you choose the right operation to solve word problems? When you read a word problem, look for clues that can tell you which operation will help you solve. Moby has 8 boxes. He gets 2 more. How many boxes does he have in all? When you're solving a word problem, it's helpful to underline important information, including the question. When you see a problem where groups of things are being put together, you may want to use addition to solve. Keywords like add, sum, join, in all together, and in total are clues that can tell you to add. Let's see. We need to know how many boxes you have in all. We can use addition to solve. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. You have 10 boxes in all. Moby has 10 boxes. Drops 5. How many boxes does he have left? When you see a problem where something is being taken away from a group, or where you need to compare the amount between 2 groups, you may want to use subtraction to solve. Keywords like subtract, take away, less than, how many more, how much more, and how many left are clues that can tell you to subtract. I need to know how many boxes are left, so I'm going to subtract to solve. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. You have 5 boxes left. What are in these boxes anyway? Silly string? There are 10 boxes, and each box has 2 cans of silly string. How many cans are there altogether? If a problem asks you to combine equal groups of things, you may be able to multiply to solve it. Keywords for multiplication problems can be the same as addition problems. Be sure to read carefully. I can multiply to solve this problem. 10 times 2 is equal to 20. You have 20 cans of silly string. You want to share? Let's see. There are 10 boxes of silly string and 5 people. How many boxes does each person get? If a problem asks how many items are in a group or how many groups there are, you may be able to divide to solve. Keywords like divide, split, how many, and each can give clues that you can use division. But some of these clues can be for other operations too. It's important to read the problem carefully and check your answer to see it makes sense. I can use division to solve this problem. 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. We each get 2 boxes. I have 2 boxes, and each box has 2 cans of silly string. How many cans do I have in total? You're right, Moby. We can multiply to figure it out. Let's see. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. I have 4 cans of silly string. Remember, when you're working on a word problem, first, understand the problem. Next, make a plan to solve. Then, solve it. Finally, check your work. Uh-oh.